Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Thrustmaster TLCM pedals. These pedals feature advanced load cell technology, offering incredibly precise and consistent braking performance for a truly immersive racing experience. Magnetic sensors are used for clutch and accelerator, ensuring excellent durability and accuracy over time. Plus, you can easily adjust the pedal spacing and inclination to perfectly match your driving style. The TLCM pedals boast a brake pedal that can withstand up to 100 kilograms of pressure, giving you realistic feedback. You also get 6 different spring sets, allowing you to fine-tune the resistance and feel of the brake pedal to your exact preference. Furthermore, the dedicated software lets you calibrate all 3 pedals, ensuring optimal response and sensitivity for every race. These pedals are built to last, featuring 100% metal construction for the pedal heads, arms, and base. This robust design provides excellent stability and a premium feel. They are also highly versatile, compatible with PC, PlayStation, and Xbox systems, making them a great choice for almost any sim racer. You can easily mount them to a cockpit or a wheel stand. So, are the Thrustmaster TLCM pedals worth it? Absolutely, if you're a serious sim racer looking for a significant upgrade. The precision, customization, and durable build quality make them a fantastic investment for enhancing your racing performance and immersion. While they come at a higher price point, the advanced features truly justify the cost for dedicated enthusiasts. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.